What is up, Tooligans? It's me, your boy 2 times. Get the papers. Here at Pro Tools Approved. Been doing so much messing around with hammer drills today. Had to break out the rotary hammers. Now, these are the only two rotary hammers I do own. But there are big differences between the two other than just the shape of them. We've got the Bosch GBH18V20 and the Bosch GBH18V26. The 20 is a 3/4 inch rotary hammer. The 26 is a 1 inch rotary hammer. They are both SDS plus capable. That is bits with this on the end. They're the only bits that'll work with it. They snap right in. So don't get an SDS Max. They are SDS Plus. The 20 weighs 5.7 pounds without the battery. It is 12.8 inches long. The 26 weighs 5.8 pounds without the battery. It is 17.75 inches long. Now the 20 is more compact. It is a 3/4. It has 1.3 foot-pounds of energy. The 26 obviously is an inline rotary hammer. It is a 1 inch SDS again, and it has 1.9 foot-pounds of energy in each impact. 0 to 800 RPMs. No load RPMs in the 20 with 4550 beats per minute. The 26 is 0 to 890 RPM, so it's got 90 RPM more at 4350 beats per minute. So it's 200 beats per minute less. It is 90 revolutions more. No load, of course. The 20 does not have any kind of kickback protection. It does offer overload protection to protect the motor and the battery. The 26 has overload protection, and it also has Bosch's kickback control if it binds up to protect the user as well as the tool and the battery. Let's go drill some holes and shit. Well, I've got a big thunderstorm coming any minute now, so I'm going to try to get this out as quickly as we can. We're going to start with the 20 and a 3/16 inch bit. The SDS bits just pop right in and you're good to go. It's hard to see under here. It's full battery. We are in hammer drill mode. Speaking of, they both have the same modes: drill, hammer drill, rotary only, and they both have a chipping mode. Real nice for picking up tiles and such. Let's do it 3/16. Second. Switch over to the 26. Also hammer drill mode and a full 8 amp hour battery. 3/16. Second. Yeah, you can definitely feel the difference in that. Let's step up now to a 1/2 inch. We'll use a 1/2 inch with a 4 cutting head. So there we go. right through. No problems at all. Let's do the 1/2 inch here in the 26. That was too close for comfort. Although it's got more impact, more foot-pounds of impact, a little bit slower RPM, you can tell the difference. Let's do one last test with the 5/8. Back to the 20 with a 5/8. Ah, I hit my toe. One more. I hit my toe again. That's what I get. Ted's gonna yell at me for that one. Oh, that storm is right there. 2 last holes, 5/8.